Hi, this is Sami Mohammed, and I am basically Director of Business Development of Whale Cloud. And I am really very happy to be back in this MWC, which is one of the biggest events organized by GSMA. We're an old member of GSMA and participating this event since our beginning. The main theme for us to be here at this moment of time is connect, which means digitally connect, and then innovate, which means after the digital you are connected, how you can put some innovation on top of your core connectivity product, which is our basic expertise in the domain of telecommunication, BSS and the OSS solution providers. And then when there is an innovation, it means that we are transforming you and we are speeding up with this transformation. So this is Strato, which means speeding the transformation together. So this is the main idea and the main focus that we are coming up with this MWC in this year. Innovation, when we talk about innovation, it means that, based on the core connectivity, it means you have to innovate yourself. And if you cannot innovate yourself, it means you are static. One of the key factors of innovation, which everyone is talking about in here, is about the AI. So how we are bringing the use of AI in terms of use cases. So this is something that has been showcased here, starting from the core connectivity products, which we have, or the solutions like BSS and the OSS, and how we can add on AI so that to bring innovation in our core connectivity products. According to the research, it is being said that 60% of the revenue is going to be generated by the B2B sector, which is like an enterprise. So we have been covering that part as well in our product suite. And we have come up with an innovative TaaS concept, which means telecom as a service. So we have products which we can bring up into the concept of telecommunication as a service, like, communication as a service, mobile platform as a service, these kind of products and the solutions that we have. Now, this is one part of the telecommunication domain. Going beyond the telecommunication domain, as being the partners of Alibaba Cloud, do we have something else to offer this year as well? So, we have, yes, something we are exploring on the cloud side. So we have our cloud-based solutions, and we are coming up with a concept of a local public cloud. So local X, everything is localized, whether it's your payment gateways, whether it's your mobile payment, whether it's your cloud, you can put it in your own territory and the data may not go out of the the territory. And when you have the infrastructure of the cloud, then it is easy for you to jump into the different domains or the cross industries, taking the advantage from the telecom domain. And some of the logical connection in between the industries is the fintech industry, and it's the retail industry or the e-commerce industry. So this is something that we are also bringing in today and trying to convince our telecom operators that how easy it is to merge the IT side together with the CT side, which is our expertise, and IT side with our partners. So it's going to be not a solo flight, and it's going to be a joint flight together with all the IT and the CT players. And this is a very clear message that we are bringing in this year's MWC, that it's all about convergence, it's all about digitally connection, it's all about digitally transforming, and we are there eagerly waiting to serve you as far as digitally transformation concept is concerned. So let us be together, let us transform you, and let us speed up this transformation together. Hi, this is Sami Mohammed once again, and I'm Director of Business Development of Whale Cloud. And now I would like to speak a bit more on one of our solutions that we are promoting in this year, and it is about the cybersecurity. When you are going into cloud and you're talking about cloud as your infrastructure, the best part is which we are being challenged is the security that can be one of the major risk areas within the cloud. So. When we talk about the cloud, it means that you have the big data analytics to be taken care, and more importantly, it's the security. You have to secure your data over the cloud, and this is something that we have been asked and we have been challenged more and more once again. So in terms of the cloud, we have multiple cloud solutions, and then we have a monetization layer across all the cloud solutions that we have. And this is something that we have learned over the period of time. So we have like light end solutions to be provided, then we have a mid-range local public solutions, and then the large size local public cloud solutions. And the local public cloud itself, it means that we are having the cloud on ground in the territory. So the data will not go beyond the territory, which means that you are securing the data from that aspect. Now, within the local cloud itself, then we need to secure the data for the clients and the customers. And in that case, how to make that data secure is with the help of cybersecurity solutions that we can bring on top of the cloud. So in that case, we have a cybersecurity solution and the localized, private large language model kind of a solution, like a local chat GPT, which works, together with the open chat GPT. And it takes all the information and then it adds on the information from the geographical location, and it gives and represents the data, and then it's secure. So it is another way we are trying to, overcome the security risk and the security, how we are mitigating this risk. But apart from this, it's the cybersecurity solution that we are providing. So we are the system integrator, and we have come across, a partnership with many of the partners who are providing security-based solutions. As you can see in the slide, that we have the security partners for different services that they are covering, and then we have some of the additional, as being the system integrators, some additional information that or value add-on that we are bringing in our cybersecurity solution, so that to have defensive, web access, and then how to provide an email security, how to secure your mobile data, how to have a cloud-native adaptation as far as the security and the protection is concerned for the VM services and all. So what we do, that together with our partners, the services that they are providing, adding on our side, and we are making it combined as a package. And this package can be sold in terms of different types of solutions, like for broadband solution for the SMEs, or we can do the professional services. We can provide the private network for the managed services. Not only is this can be packaged together as a value added to be provided for all the telco services, which basically is our capability, our expertise. And all this application or the solutions can be sold as a service or can be directly sold to the different type of industries. As you can see on this side, that we have like not only the telco, but it can be sold to the retail, to the government, to other financial industry, and it can serve your cloud tenants, your cloud partners, your SMEs, your corporate your connectivity with all the users that are there. So it can serve a very extensive kind of a customer base that is required. So it means that what we are trying to give as a message is that cybersecurity with one of our client, we are having on top of the cloud that we have provided, we are basically providing them the cybersecurity on top of that cloud, so that to make that cloud itself secure. And finally, what is the key concept for the localized X? It means when the cloud platform is already there, how you can, and you have that local, the cloud platform is local. So on top of that, you can put each and everything, and every solution or the products that we are coming on top of the cloud or the application, they are all localized. For example, the local payment, your super app becomes local, your GPT services become local, and
overall the industry, which like your enterprises, they are accessing the data locally. They don't need to go into a public cloud which is out of the territory. And then more importantly, the security is also provided on the local cloud. So it means that you have everything in the territory. On top of that, we are still securing the customer's data so that it should not be intermingled or it should not be taken away for any of the reason. So and this is kind of a simple vendor, and we have been a proud member to be presented as one of the leading in our Gartner research. So this is something that we wanted to emphasize this year in MWC as well. That go local, localize yourself, and be the pioneer in your own territory. Thank you so very much.